A very pleasant and a wonderful good morning to all. So today I'm here with a special topic, that's PhonePe. With my team Ashvi, Vanshika, Ojas and Janam and myself Bhavika. So what is PhonePe? PhonePe is a designer wallet and payment app that allows users to make payment, send money and more. And here are the founders of PhonePe, Sameer Nigam, Rahul Cherry and Bruzel Engineer. So, PhonePe is an Indian designer payment platform, financial services, Bengaluru, Kolkata, and India. It was founded in December 2015 by Sameer Nigam, Rahul Cherry, and Brussels Engineer. PhonePe goal is to make design payment so easily, safe, and people did not carry money or cashes. And here we know discuss about the five things. Tell about impacts.
PhonePe has significantly changed consumer behavior by making digital transaction more convenient and rewarding with cashback offers, discount ensembles, integration, insurance, gold, and mutual funds. PhonePe has incentivized users to adopt digital payment and stay loyal to the platform. This has led to shift in consumer habit with people opting for digital payments over transactional cash-based transactions. PhonePe has played a crucial role in bringing millions of unbanked and underbanked people into the digital economy by offering easy access to financial services such as transfer, bill payments, insurance, and investment opportunities. PhonePe has helped bridge the gap between rural and urban population. Many people in remote area with limited access to physical bank can now make transactions securely using their mobile phones. The PhonePe wallet provides multiple benefits to customers, making financial transactions fast and easy. Users can add multiple bank accounts with their PhonePe account and manage all of the accounts with the PhonePe app. Users are rewarded with a scratch card after transacting the Mac. Now, just you can proceed.
PhonePe offers a variety of features that make it comprehensive and popular digital payment platform in India. Here are some of the key features. UPI-based payment. PhonePe is built on the Unified Payment Interface (UPI), allowing users to send and receive money instantly between bank accounts using their mobile phones. UPI-based transactions are seamless, quick, and free of cost, make it one of the most preferred method of transferring money. PhonePe also offers a variety of financial transactions including recharging mobile DTH and data cards, paying at stores, making utility payment, and buying and investing in gold and silver. As of September 2024, PhonePe has more than 570 million users, representing its wide popularity across India. This platform has over 40 million merchants, making digital transaction easy for businesses across India. Now, Vanshika, you proceed.
Futures of PhonePe. Expansions of services. PhonePe may continue to grow by adding new services like lending, microinsurance, and more investment options. Adoptions of emerging technology. The integrations of blockchains, artificial intelligence, and other emerging technology could make PhonePe a more robust platform. Advantages of PhonePe. PhonePe has many advantages. Digital wallet. PhonePe is a digital wallet that allows users to make payment quickly, user-friendly. PhonePe is easy to use and available in multiple Indian languages. Quick money transfer. PhonePe allows users to transfer money quickly. Cashbacks and discount. PhonePe offer instant cashbacks discount on transactions. This phenomenal growth is driven by the best-in-class payment success rate, fastest speed of transactions, and easy-to-user interface. PhonePe is India's leading digital payment platform with over 250 million registered users. Is PhonePe safe? VR payment on PhonePe are safe, reliable, and fast. One is in three Indians are now using the PhonePe app to send money, recharge, pay bills, do so much more in just a few simple clicks. Can a 17-year-old use PhonePe? You must be a least 18-year-old started using PhonePe wallet. If we see that you were below 18 years while registering for wallet, we have the right to detective your wallet. Now proceed for Bhavika. What can you do with PhonePe?
We can pay the bills, mobile bills, card bills, and electricity bills, and many more. Send money, and requested money using UPI. Shop at place, order food, and buying something with PhonePe and UPI. Book travels. When you are going for the trips, you can easily do the PhonePe and book the tickets. PhonePe, India larger digital payment platform, has challenges in customer services, app development, and market listening. Proceed to Ashvi.
PhonePe has become one of the top digital payment platform in India, offering a wide range of services like payment, financial product, and insurance. With India growth using of smartphone and digital payments, PhonePe future growth is expanding into new areas like wealth management, personal loans, which make it more comprehensive platform for users. Thank you so much for attending this speech.